Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to today's phonics lesson. I'm going to introduce to you another grapheme. This is the grapheme DGE with the speech sound J, J, J. Can you have a go? So as we always do in a phonics lesson, we are going to revisit our Phase 5 sounds and common exception words, as well as the tricky words that we learned last week. So I'm going to go through, flick the cards of each sound, and I'd like you to say them please out loud. Okay, and let's have a go at reading your common exception words. Well done, everybody. So we're going to quickly revisit our tricky words from last week and our grapheme Y, saying the speech sound I. Here we go. So remember, the tricky part to this word is the or sound. I really want to hear that final sound, or. You have a go. Fantastic. So I would like you to have a look at this picture and try and figure out, what do you think our common exception words, our tricky words, are going to be today? What can you see in the picture? A prince and a princess. Well done if you got that right. We are going to learn to write those words today. So let's have a look at our first word. Okay, children, so first we are going to identify the sounds that we know. P, e, n, k, e, prinke. Is prinke a word we know? No, it's not. Okay then, so let's look at the tricky part. What do we know about the letter C? Sometimes it represents the speech sound k, and sometimes it represents the speech sound s. We tried it with k, sorry. So let's try it with s. P, r, e, n, s. Prince. That sounds right, doesn't it? But what about that letter E at the end of the word? Do we say the E sound? No, we don't. It doesn't make sense. So we call that a silent E because we don't say its sound. You could also identify that the letters C and E are a digraph. They are two letters together that make one sound, S. So remember, children, if a word doesn't make sense, we can use our knowledge of alternative spellings and we can flip the sound until it sounds right and it makes sense to us. Let's have a go with our next word. P, r, e, n, k, s. Princess. Does that make sense? No. So remember, using our knowledge, what do we know about that C letter? It also has the sound S. So let's try it. P, r, e, n, s, princess. Excellent. So now we're going to practice writing those words down. Okay, I want you to get your pencil ready and we're going to write the word prince. Prince. Don't forget the silent E at the end of prince. You can't hear it. Let's have a go at writing the word princess. Princess. Well done, Year 2. So today we are learning to read and spell words that contain the grapheme DGE. This grapheme makes the speech sound J. J. Can you have a go? Okay everyone, so I'm going to be using my pen to write on the board today, and I'm going to be writing words that have the grapheme DGE with the speech sound J in them. So sometimes this grapheme can make the J sound at the end of a word. Now it's important to remember that this grapheme is used for the phoneme J when the word contains a short vowel sound in the middle. So for example, if you look at the word badge, B-A-J, we have the short vowel sound A in the middle of that word. Let's get started. E-J, edge. Edge, hedge. B-A-J, badge. You have a go at doing the rest on your own. Can you find or identify the short vowel sound? Well done. Oh, so each of these words contain a short vowel sound in the middle. We are going to have a go at being text detectives. Read the words on the sign and spot any DGE saying J words. Please pause the video and have a go at reading the sign. Okay, now I'm going to take you through what the sign says. We're going to read it together. Monitors who have a badge can cross the bridge at the edge of the hedge by the lodge. Remember, children must not eat fudge in school. How many DGE words could you find? Let's check. 6. Well done everybody. Today you have learnt the grapheme DGE that makes the speech sound J. Tomorrow we also have another phonics video teaching you an alternative spelling. So stay tuned. Bye everybody.